Welcome to Real Money Talks, how to make money, manage money, and invest money. Your Real Money Talks host, Laurel Langmeyer, gets straight to the point about what it actually takes to make money and build lasting wealth in today's changing economic climate. If you're ready to get the financial results you've always dreamed of, keep listening. Real Money Talks is the right place for you. And now here's your host, Laurel Langmeyer.
Hi, this is Laurel. You're at Laurel's Real Money Talks podcast. And we teach how to make money, keep money, and invest money. And one of the critical things is your SEO, search engine optimization. So I have a world expert here, Stefan, who's with us. And show him this big old book you wrote. Like, look at this thing.
Yeah, it's kind of intimidating, yes. It's the Bible on search engine optimization, how to get to the top of Google.
And so what inspired you to write? My gosh, how many pages is
It's
this?
994, so 1,000 pages.
So 1,000 pages. So what inspired you? Just love this topic?
Yeah.
Tell our listeners, tell us about you.
Okay, so I geek out about Google.
You geek out.
I love it. And I love reverse engineering algorithms and figuring stuff out. But that can be really technical and daunting to non-technical people. So what I recommend is folks start with actually chapter 7 in this book, which is on content marketing, and it's not overly technical.
Okay.
You need links in order to succeed in Google, in order
Awesome.
to rank highly in Google. And how do you get links? You create remarkable content, and you do content marketing to get that content out there. You don't just write articles on
Right.
blogs and just expect it to magically rank in Google.
So a lot of people talk about content marketing. So give some very specific, links, places. Like give our listeners some things they could do right now without even reading the book.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right, so let's say that you have a column somewhere that you write, like I write for the Huffington Post, and you have a column there as
Yep.
well. The thing about writing for somewhere else is that you need to be able to get the benefit of it. You're basically working for free for HuffPo.
Yeah.
So find a place. It could be the Huffington Post, it could be lifehack.org, it could be Business 2 Community, the number 2. All these places take contributors. And you have to create something that is worthy of being in those sites and also that links to your stuff. So give something
give them
away.
like gifts and give them reports, give them secrets, things like that, and that links to your sites.
Right. So
Okay.
like, for example, I have 2 great podcast shows. One's called Marketing Speak, the other is called The Optimized Geek. And yeah.
That's good.
Marketing Speak has Dan Kennedy on there. I know
Yeah.
you're a big fan of Dan's. There's a great episode with Dan Kennedy on there. And I might drop a mention of that in a podcast or in an article that talks about copywriting, because he's a guru on copywriting.
Yeah.
And that's an additional resource that links to my site. And thus I get a link, and it's from the Huffington Post. And then when they link, when other people link to that Huffington Post article, that passes on to me as well. So ideally, you want to put stuff out there that is worthy of links, link
Yep.
worthy.
Yep.
And you find different venues that if you just post it to your own blog, nobody will see it, nobody will know. As you build up your reputation, then that becomes a valid place to do your content marketing from too. So
Interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
So talk about organic traffic too. Just another topic for our listeners today.
Okay, so you have paid media and you have free media. And free media I love because
It's free.
It's free. I mean, you have to put in the effort, you have to work and invest in training and staff time and so forth, but you get to, it's like an asset.
Yeah.
And we're all about assets,
Yeah.
not lazy assets,
Yeah.
but assets that make money for you while you sleep. And your website is that. If you optimize it so it ranks highly in Google, because month after month you'll get free traffic. If you spend money on AdWords, which there's nothing wrong with that, spend money on Facebook advertising,
Yep.
I do that. But the moment you stop spending money is the moment you stop receiving traffic.
It's true.
So with SEO and Google, you'll get traffic for a long period of time,
Yep.
unless you really screw something up, hire a bad SEO that gets you in trouble with Google, gets you penalized.
So is Google, it changes all the time. So like this
Yeah.
isn't something, I know you're giving them some free and great content.
Yeah.
And again, those of you that want is chapter 7, you go to asklaurel.com/podcast gifts and look for Stefan and my podcast, and the gift will be right there on chapter 7. You can download it.
Yeah.
So this is really something that needs to be hired. You know?
It does,
I
it
mean,
does.
to do this on your own is pretty
Yeah.
complicated. And doesn't Google change a lot?
It does. And so if you hire somebody who's on, let's
A
say,
geek.
3 or 4 year old kind of strategies, you could get in big trouble. Like PBNs never were a good strategy, private blog networks. And if somebody talks to you about that and you don't know what it is and it sounds really good, you just got snookered by a
Really?
snake oil salesman. Yeah. So I have another free download which you can offer on the same location,
Uh-huh.
which is an SEO hiring blueprint and an
that's
SEO
good.
BS detector. So there's a half dozen different
That's
questions
awesome.
you can ask in the interview process, and you slip those in, and
You know
if
they're-
they screw up, you got the answer right there. You know to kick them to the curb.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So make sure you get these. These are highly valuable gifts, and you all need it because your website is your calling card. So you're here at Laurel's Real Money Talks, and thank you very much for being here. We'll have you
Thank
back
you.
on and share more stuff. If you want to talk to Stefan, then you just go to the AskLaurel.com site, give us your name, phone number, and email, and just in the question part, say, I would like a private consult, I'd like to talk to him, and we'll make sure that your name gets over to him. So have a great day. Talk to you soon.
Thank you for joining Laurel for this segment of Real Money Talks, how to make money, manage money, and invest money. To continue this new conversation and to find free resources to support your wealth creation, visit AskLaurel.com/podcast gifts. That's AskLoral.com/podcast gifts. Thanks for listening and join us again soon. New episodes are released every week.